Last year, we were able to donate over $12,000 in toys in our Toys for Tots drive because for every service call and annual maintenance we ran, we donated a $20 toy on our customers' behalf, and we're continuing that promotion this year. So if you need your furnace serviced and want a free service call and free maintenance, we will also donate a $20 toy on your behalf just for having us show up and service your furnace for the winter. All you have to do is click the Book Now link below and you get a free service call or annual maintenance for all first-time customers. And we provide a free service call or annual maintenance for first-time customers as a way to show you what we're made of with zero risk to you. And the kicker is that if after we come to your home we have any recommendations and you aren't quite sure whether or not they are good advice, we will send out the competition at our expense. We will pay their service calls so that you can get a second opinion and have peace of mind knowing that we have integrity in our recommendations. And the reason we do this is because we want to show you how we got our 5-star reputation with over 400 5-star reviews on Google. And it's by providing reliable service, and we focus on doing the right thing, not upselling you 1,000 things you don't need. So click the link below to book now. It's a free service call or free annual maintenance for first-time customers. And we will also donate a $20 toy on your behalf for every service call or tune-up that we run from November 1st through December 20th for our Toys for Tots drive. So if you don't need us and your furnace is working great, you can tell your friends and neighbors on Facebook or Nextdoor, and we'll go service their equipment and donate a $20 toy on their behalf.